Hi, this is Navya. In this project, I built a real-time sports score picker using Apache Kafka. The main goal is to process live sports events and display updated scores in real time. I used Kafka, Python, Fast API, Docker, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This type of system can be used in live sports application and sports streaming platforms. The producer simulates five sports matches and generates events like goals. These events are sent to Kafka using the match ID as the message key. Kafka stores the events in different partitions. The consumer reads these events and updates the current match state. The Fast API service provides the sports alerts and the lag endpoints. The front end uses these API to display live scores, alerts, and consumer lag. The producer is responsible for generating and sending match events. The consumer receives the events and updates the match scores. The API exposes the required endpoints. The front end displays the live scoreboard. Docker Compose is used to run Kafka, the producer, and consumer, and the front end together. One important concept is partitioning. The match events topic has five partitions because we simulate five matches. The match ID used as a Kafka key so that events from the same match day in the same partition and maintain their order. I also implemented consumer groups to understand Kafka scaling. When multiple consumers are added, Kafka distributes the partition between them. Another important feature is consumer lag, which shows how far the consumer is behind the latest Kafka messages. The main challenge were configuring Kafka, connecting the services through Docker, maintaining event ordering, and calculating consumer lag. I solved this using the Docker networking, Kafka messages key, consumer groups, and the Kafka offset information. Currently, match data is stored in memory. A database file like PostgreSQL or a Redis could be added for permanent storage. The front end can also be improved with a better UI and WebSocket based real time updates. The system can also be scaled to support more matches and Kafka brokers. Overall, this project helped me understand the Kafka topics and the partitions and offsets, producers, consumers, consumer groups, acknowledgements, and like. It also showed me how Kafka can be used to build scalable real time application. Thank you.